Pastor, please. Somebody else can kiss her for me. I'm coming. Somebody else can kiss her for me. I'm coming.
You realize that this is your wedding?
Somebody else please present me. 4 million naira. 4 million naira. 4 million. Boo, let somebody kiss you.
How can somebody kiss your wife for you? My dear Amaka, do you take this man right here, as your rightful wedded husband from today henceforth, in sickness and in health, in poverty and in wealth?
Excuse me, Pastor.
Hey.
How much does he have? Last year, about 10,500 naira. Oji 95 Oji 95 na kia. Nga collect 95 near London use. Bunya London use Sorry.
This is the house of God.
Sorry, Pastor. Sorry. Sorry, no.
Okay. Let's continue.
Naka. Can you never, man?
You busy in a shop.
Oh, you're joking. You busy in a shop. That boy will not get sense. Leave him for sure. Naka.
Okay. You busy in a shop.
Also, now we. What's that? You guy?
This is the holy house of God. In cheating and in faithfulness.
You want to cheat on me?
No, why would I do such?
If any man tell you hi on WhatsApp, it's the end of it. You now beg me.
In ups and downs, for better, for worse.
Yes, I do.
That's a good one. Odogu Bubu, do you take this woman here to be your rightful wedded wife?
Excuse me, Pastor. Fota in there, you know, agree on.
Oh, God, them man now.
In there, fa. He have to book photo 10.
Oh, God, them man. Women I complained about. Oh, God, them man.
We are in church.
I'm sorry.
Do you take this woman as your rightful to be your rightful wedded wife?
Asananka is a wanya. Asania. Wanya never. Asananka is there. Biko. Eweniwe. Pass eweniwe.
Do you take this woman to be your rightful wedded wife in beauty and in ugliness? In cancer and in fibroid?
If she get cancer,
okay. In standing breast and when we breast the ladder?
Ali Adara, no one else.
In barrenness and in fruitfulness?
Amaka, I gave you 6 months. If you're not pregnant, I'm my second wife.
In cheating and in faithfulness?
Now, just try it. Just think about it first. Can't you also?
I want you to answer me yes or no.
Pastor, leave this your long vows. I want my vows very short and simple. Amaka, promise me that I will not neglect this thing I'm doing today. You promise me in Jesus' name. Amaka, promise me that you will not kill me before my time. You promise me?
I promise.
I don't believe you. You will swear with me with Amadioha.
I will. Anything you want.
You said, did the highway, yeah? Hey, I'm prepared for you. You will swear with me with Amadioha. Leave. Leave the highway. Swear for me with Amadioha. You may even before my time.
Amaka, equal.
Are you snapping the doors? You want to die? Swear for me, swear for me.
How dare you super stubborn?
Swear for me, swear for me.
You must swear.
Swear for me.
Okay, fine. I agree, I accept.
Hey!
What?
Dalu, I'm coming to your shrine to see you. I'm sure now. Pastor, you can come and continue. I'm sure now. I'm sure now.
All right, so please now. You may now kiss your bride.
I may not kiss her now. Yes. Hey! Mbuluta! Tell wine. Pino. I'm here, baby. I said, look at boo. My container, my way bill. My way bill. Ogini! Oblogi tan tie mi wan yon. Ogini!
He said that Mr. Ken, our biggest customer, is in the shop, and he cannot do anything if you're not around.
Wait, yo.
4 million naira.
The BC called you on the phone from the shop.
Yes.
Mr. Ben Kotonu?
Yes.
He's in the shop now.
Yes, Oga.
With 4 million naira. And he said if you not see me, he will not buy anything.
He cannot do anything.
Pastor, please. Somebody else can kiss her for me. I'm coming.
Stop now.
Somebody else can kiss her for me. I'm
You
coming.
realize that this is your wedding.
Somebody else, please present me. 4 million naira. 4 million naira. 4 million. Go, let somebody kiss you.
How can somebody kiss your wife for you?
All 4 million. Go, let somebody else kiss you. Let somebody else kiss you. Ogini Kwanu. Enlargement. Nah, c'est pas pour. Listen. All 4 million. 4 million.
Enlargement.